Hello all, welcome to part 27 of JavaScript for Beginners series. In this session, I am going to explain and practically show you how method overloading is not supported by JavaScript. So let's get started. I will directly switch to the practical mode guys. I'll open this Visual Studio Code IDE and here I'll create a sample JavaScript file, say demo.js. Inside this JavaScript file, I'll create a class, say class A. Okay, sample class, say class A. Inside this class, I'll create a method guys, m1. Okay, m1 method, any method guys, m1. And here I'll print out something. If this particular method is called, this particular text should be print out. So I'll simply write here inside m1. Okay, inside m1, I'll create the same method. Inside the same class, I'll create another method having the same name, guys. That is again m1. But this time, okay, to make this particular method, overload this method, I'll add some parameters, guys. Okay, I'll add some parameters, say a. Okay, one parameter is there. Now, if I say console.log off, okay, I'll print out something here. Here I'll say inside m1 having one parameter. Okay, so there are two methods guys. In general, any programming, if you take like Java programming, okay, if you create a class and inside the class, if you have the method having the same name but different number of parameters or different type of parameters or different order of the parameters, in case of Java guys, okay, this method is said to overload this method. Okay, this method is said to overload this method. And in Java kind of languages, if you create an object for the class A and if you call this method without providing any parameter, then this method will be called. Okay, if you call the same method by providing some parameter, some argument, single argument, then this method having the same method having the parameter will be called. In case of Java, not in JavaScript guys. Okay, in JavaScript, method overloading is not supported. That means even though you are creating similar methods having different number of parameters or different type of or different order of parameters in JavaScript, okay, JavaScript is not supporting or going to support the method overloading. So what will happen, just see here. If I say okay, let ca is equal to new class A, I'm just creating an object for the class A and using this object reference ca dot m1, I'm simply calling m1 guys. I'm not passing any parameter. What do you think guys? In JavaScript, what do you think? If I call this m1, which method should be called? This method or this method? It looks like it doesn't have any argument, right? That means this one has to be called, right? But in JavaScript, that will not happen, guys. Okay, in JavaScript, since JavaScript is not supporting the method overloading concept, even though you are calling a method without having any parameters, the latest created method will be called, guys. Okay, the latest created method will be called. So if there are two methods having the same name, the latest method inside the class will be called. It doesn't worry about whether it has some parameters or doesn't have parameters, because method overloading is not supported in JavaScript. Simple. Okay. So there, what are the languages which are supporting the method overloading? What are not supporting the method overloading? The language which is supporting the method overloading is Java, guys. If you go to Java and if you come across the same situation, if you call this kind of method, it will call this method, guys. Okay, in Java it is there. Okay, if you pass something like say you pass 5 here, okay, in that case Java will definitely call this method because this particular method having the same name is having this parameter. Okay, single parameter. So this will automatically call this method in Java because method overloading is supported in Java. But coming to the other programming languages like JavaScript, okay, JavaScript or Python or PHP, in all these languages, guys, method overloading is not supported. Method overloading is not supported by these programming languages. So in this case, still you call, okay, in case of JavaScript, if you even call this M1, it will not call M1, guys, okay. It will not call M1 without having any parameters. Rather, it will call the latest created method, okay, having this name. What is the latest created method inside this class having this name? The latest method is this. Okay, the last method, this one will be called. Okay, you just see in action, guys. I'll just run this. You will see that in action. I'll just clear it out and say no demo dot js. You see inside m1 having one parameter. Okay, so when you are calling this m1, it's not printing inside m1. Instead, it is calling the latest or new method having the same name inside the same class, the last method, that is inside m1 having one parameter got printed. You see, inside m1 having one parameter got printed here. So that's why we can say that JavaScript doesn't support method overloading. Okay, method overloading is not supported by JavaScript, guys. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.